Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem find the nth character. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says that given a binary string s, perform r iteration on a string s wherein each iteration 0 becomes 0 1 and 1 becomes 1 0. Find the nth character and 0 based indexing of the string after performing these r iterations. So let us try to understand the problem statement with the help of an example. Here S, the string which is given to us is this, and the number of times we have to perform the operation is 2 times, and towards the end after performing the operation for 2 times we need to return the third character or third index character. So let us see how we will be able to deduce our answer from this. So this is the string. In the first iteration, all ones becomes 1 0 and 0 becomes 0 1. So for instance, the first one becomes 1 0, the second one becomes 1 0 again, and then the third 0 or the at third index 0 becomes 0 1 and at the fourth index 0 becomes 0 1. Similarly, in the second operation, we expanded this string and this string becomes this big string. And within this string, if you see the third index, so this is 0th index, first index, second index, and the third index. So the third index is 1, thereby we are returning 1 in this particular case. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution for this problem. So let us first discuss the brute force solution for this problem. So in the brute force solution, what we are going to do is, given a string s, so the string s is given to us, and apart from string s, r is given and nth index which we need to return is given. So these are the three things which we are given to us. So what we will do is, we will go ahead and perform this operation for r number of times. So for I in range of r, so we are going to perform the operation there for r times, and now for each of the characters in the string s, so for each character in s, we are going to expand each of the characters. So if the character is 1, then this character becomes 1 0. So let us say we have a new string here. So over here, let us say at this position we have a new string with us, and initially the value for new string is this, so no characters there. So if it is 1, then the new string becomes whatever was the value before plus 1 has to be expanded to 1 0. So let's do that. Otherwise it should be 0, in which case the new s will expand to 0 1. So once the third step for loop gets over, then we are going to update our s to new s, because now this becomes my s, and now on this s we need to perform again the operation. So towards the end, once we have performed all the r operations, what we are going to do is we are going to return the nth index which is ours. So this is what we are going to return. So that's the brute force solution, folks. Now if you look at the running time complexity of this algorithm, so the running time complexity of this algorithm will become r into 2 to the power r into size of s. So that's the discussion regarding the brute force solution, folks. Now let us see how we will be able to solve this problem optimally. So to discuss the optimal solution, let us take an example. So let us say the string which is given to us is, and the value of r which is given to us is 2, and the value of n which is given to us is 3. So let us first go ahead and perform this operation. So if the value, so this will be my first operation. When I'm performing the first operation, then the s will get expanded to, after doing the second operation, the s will get expanded to, so this is the resultant string. So what I would like to do is, I would like to draw a relationship between the initial string, so this is the initial string, and the final string. I would like to draw a relationship between the initial and the final string. If the size of initial string is this, then the size of final string will be what? So let us discuss this. In order to discuss this, let us take each character at a time. So this was the first character of my first string. This first character gets expanded to two characters, right? Now this two characters in turn gets expanded to four characters. So let us say the size over here is 2 to the power 0, which is 1. If the size is 2 to the power 0, then the size at the first position will be 2 to the power 1. And the size at when r is equals to 2 will be 2 to the power 2, right? So because of which what we can say that if the size of the initial string is s, string is mod s, then the size of the final string will be how much? 2 to the power r times mod s, right? Because if you see from here, so the first character got expanded to 2 to the power r times. Similarly, the second character will also get expanded to 2 to the power r times, which is 4. The third character will also get expanded to 2 to the power 2, which is 4 times. And the fourth and the final character will also get expanded to 4 times. So this is essentially 2 to the power r plus 2 to the power r plus dot 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 2 to the power r times, which is how many times? S times, right? Size of the string. So that is why I'm saying that this is equals to size of the string into 2 to the power r. Now within this, I would like to get the nth character. So from the final string, we would like to get the nth character. So from the final string, we would like to get the nth character. Now let us see how we will be able to do this thing optimally. So let us take the same example which we have. So here the initial string which is given to us is 1100, and from here the number of operation we need to perform is 2, and the string or the nth character which we need to return is 3. So we understood that this will get expanded to 4 characters, 2 to the power r, which is equals to 4 characters. So this will be my fourth character. Similarly, this will get expanded to 4 characters. Similarly, this again will get expanded to 4 characters. And this, the last one also will get expanded to 4th character. Now what we need to return is the third character. So we would like to return the third character. So this is what we want to return. So now if you see this, what we want to do is we want to find out at which position the third character will come. So we know that at this position the third character will come. Please note that the index start from 0. So what I would like to find out is my nth character belongs to which lot. So let us say, let me just name this is my lot 1, this is my lot 2, and this is my lot 3, and this is my lot 4. So of these lots, in which lot my answer will lie? So for instance, in this particular case, we know that our answer will lie in lot 1. So now corresponding to lot 1, which is the character or which character gets expanded? So if you see this, we know that the answer lie in lot 1. Lot 1 can be found out by expanding the first character. So what we would like to find out is in which lot does our answer lie, and more accurately what we would like to find out is which character needs to be expanded such that we get our answer. So let us try to find the answer of this question, that which is which character needs to be expanded such that we get our answer. So in order to find out the answer, let us take the same example again, where s is equals to this, r is equals to 2, and n is equals to 3. So we know that the size of the lot or lot size will be equals to 2 to the power r, which is equals to 4. 2 to the power 2 square, which is equals to 4. And we want to find out nth character. So the nth character will be at which position? Well, the nth character will be at position n by lot size. So the nth character will be at position n by lot size. So n is equals to 3. So 3 divided by lot size. So 3 divided by 4, which is equals to, so the position we will get is, here the quotient is 0. So once we get the position, what we are going to do is, we are going to go ahead and expand that position only. Rather than expanding every position, we will go ahead expand only that position for our times in order to deduce our answer. So let us see how we will do it. So again, here S which is given to us was this, R which is given to us is 2, and N equals to 3. So we know that our position is 0. So this is, let me just write down the indexes. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we know that this is the position which needs to be expanded in order to get our answer. So let us expand this position. So now 1 gets expanded to 1 and 0 again. So this is when R is equals to 1. And when R equals to 2, let's perform the other operation also. So again 1, 0, and this will be 0 and 1. And what we want to return? Well, we would like to return the third character. So here let us return the third character. So the third character is essentially this, right? So this is my 0, 1, 2, and 3. So my third character is this position, and this is what I am going to return, and that will be my answer. Let's take one more example in order to understand this concept properly. So let us say this is the string which is given to us, and n which is here is 56. So we would like to find out the 56th character, and r which is given to us is 3. So 3 operations we can do it. So first let's go ahead and find out the lot size. So the lot size is equals to 2 to the power 3, which is equals to 8. And at which position or which character needs to be expanded? Well, the character that needs to be expanded is 56. 56 divided by 8, which is equals to 7. So the 7th character needs to be expanded. Let me write down the indexes in order to see which character has to be expanded. So the last character needs to be expanded. So let us now go ahead and expand the last character for 3 times. So let's expand it. So here r is equals to 1. So this gets expanded to 1 and 0. Let's expand it further. So here r is equals to 2. So this gets expanded to 1, 0, 0 and 1. R equals to 3. So the final expansion. So this is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 0. And which character do I need to return? Well, the 56th character. So now from here, how do I get the 56th character? So remember, this is my 7th character, which simply means that the first 6 character has already been expanded. So the index starts from 0, so it is actually 7 characters. So the 7 characters has already been expanded. So the last index was how much? Well, the last index was 8 into 7 minus 1, which is equals to 55, right? 8 is the lot size. How many characters had already been expanded? So 7 characters has already been expanded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These 7 characters has already been expanded. And since our index starts from 0, that is why I'm removing 1 from it. So that simply gives me 55th. So our this index will start from 56, and we want to return 56. So in this case, this is what we want to return, and this is what we are going to return. So that's about the explanation, folks. Now let us go ahead and see how we can code this. So the code is pretty much the same as we have discussed. So let us look at that code. So first is INC, which is equals to the lot size which we have discussed. This is equals to 2 to the power r, which is what I am doing in this way. Rather than using power function, I'm using this. Now at which position does which position needs to be expanded? The position that needs to be expanded is n divided by INC. So this position needs to be expanded. So this line, if you see, this line essentially, which I have explained it over here, let me just switch to this position. So here, that particular line is essentially to compute this, right? So this is the index equals to lot size into number of characters which has already been expanded minus 1. So let's see that. So now let us go back to our code. So this is what we have done over here. And this is my initial count. It is just that initial count is equals to count. And this, I know that the this position needs to be expanded. So now I'm updating my s to only this particular character. And new s is the updated after each round the s will gets updated, and that updated s is something which I'm storing it in new s. Now I'm going ahead and performing the operation for r number of times. So this is what it is. New s initially is this, and then I am going ahead and performing the operation. So ch in this, if it is 1, it gets expanded to 1 0, otherwise it gets expanded to 0 1. Now if I am at my last iteration, so this iteration will give me my answer. So here little bit of optimization. What I have done is that, so rather than expanding for all the characters of the updated s, I'm just checking whether I have reached my answer or not. So if the index, so this is count equals to index over here. So if the index, if the number of characters I have expanded so far is greater than n, that simply means now I have already computed my n. So now I can get the nth character, and that is what I am returning from here. So that's about the code, folks. Now let us go ahead and submit our solution. So our solution got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.